In this video, I will show you how to create and install a MetaMask wallet, how to send and receive crypto, and how to use it securely so that you will not lose your money. To install a MetaMask wallet, you need to go to the MetaMask website. MetaMask supports browsers such as Chrome, Brave, Explorer, and Firefox. We select the browser that suits us and it starts downloading the extension for our browser. Next, we see that you can import a wallet or create a new one. We will click Create Wallet. We agree to their terms. We invent and create a password for the wallet. Next, you will see a request that you need to save the phrases to restore the wallet. With these phrases, you can restore the wallet in case you lose access to it. Watch the video until the end and I will show you how to return the lost wallet using these keywords on my wallet as an example. To receive any cryptocurrency to your wallet, you need to copy the public key that is on the top and send it to the sender. Don't worry, it's safe because this address is called the public key, not the private one. In order to send cryptocurrency, press the send button. Paste the public address of another wallet to whom you want to send cryptocurrency. Choose the name and amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Click the next button and confirm. After a couple of minutes, depending on the load of the blockchain network, another wallet will receive your cryptocurrencies. In order to convert one cryptocurrency to another, there are many online exchanges. The best and most popular is PancackeSwap, which is designed for MetaMask. To do this, go to the PancackeSwap website, click Connect Wallet, choose MetaMask, confirm the binding. Next, find the Trade tab and select Swap. In the window that opens, select your cryptocurrency for the exchange from above, and from the bottom select which cryptocurrency you want to exchange it for. Press Swap, confirm all transactions and wait a few minutes to convert the cryptocurrency. The waiting time depends on the load of blockchain network. Ready! You have now converted one cryptocurrency to another. Sometimes there are such cases when you play some kind of NFT games and want to withdraw their in-game crypto token to your wallet. After the withdrawal, the withdrawn tokens are not visible in the wallet. Do you think you have lost them? But it's not. The problem is that your MetaMask doesn't know about your crypto token and cannot index it. To solve this problem, you should add the contract of this token to the MetaMask. This is done in the following way. Check out CoinGecko website, look for your token in the search and copy the address of the token contract itself. Next, go to the MetaMask, choose the right network. In my case, this is a Binance Smart Chain. At the bottom you will see Import Token. Click on it. Select the Custom Token tab. Paste our copied contract address into token contract address. Enter the symbol of the contract and how many digits after the dot in the amount you want to show. Click Add and you are done. You can now see your token in your wallet. Most often it will be that you have some cryptocurrencies in a different network and you will need to add these blockchain networks to your MetaMask wallet. For example, in order to accept BNB cryptocurrency in your wallet, as well as play and accept payments from many NFT games, you should add a Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. In order to add a Binance Smart Chain network, you should write to the Google how to add this network. Find Network Settings, open your MetaMask wallet, click on the tab with Blockchain Networks at the top and click on the Add Network button. Next, fill in the fields with the information that you found in Google. There is another even easier option. This is to go to the website chain list, select the network you need, click Import and confirm. Ready! You can now accept, store and send BNB using your wallet MetaMask. And now, as promised, I will show you how to restore your wallet in case of loss. As I said earlier, for this you will need 12 keywords that you wrote down when creating your wallet. If you didn't write down these phrases, you should open your MetaMask wallet, click on your avatar in the upper right corner. Go to your wallet settings. Go to the security and privacy. Click on Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase. Enter your password to your wallet and you will see these 12 words designed to restore your wallet. Now let's imagine that you have lost access to your wallet. Install MetaMask again, click Import Wallet. We enter 12 phrases that we recorded. Create a new wallet password. Click Import. Ready, you have restored access to your wallet. You can try to access my wallet with my 12 recovery words. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you have any questions, you can write in the comments. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Crypto Daddy will show you how to make real money on my crypto channel.